Hi, everybody. The top of my head's going to be cut off, but that's okay. I just wanted to show you my Umeboshi video here. So, after you soak it for like a week or so, we'll got it in a little, brine jar here with just salt and weights on them. All this water comes from the plum itself. And then you strain it, and then you lay it out outside like my picture, and then when it's all dry, oh, this is kind of, I'm going to use my fingers. When it's all dry, they'll kind of look like this, see? And then you can carry this with you when you're traveling, and you just kind of feel nauseated all of a sudden. You just kind of pop one in your mouth. It's super salty, but this is a highly alkaline. This is like Japanese Alka-Seltzer. Or if you can't handle a salt, then you just put it in a cup of water, hot boiling water, a cup of hot boiling water, something like that. And then, just sip on that. So this is what I made. This is from 2 years ago. This is going to last you forever. This is from 2 years ago. Actually, it's 3 years ago. And I treat this as medicine, and it's got a date on it, 2021. Oops. And so, yeah, it'll keep forever on the shelf. You don't have to refrigerate it. And these have been dried outside in the sun. And then I put them, after they're dried, I put them back in the liquid. See? So this you can, like take out the seed if you want to. And, oh, it's super salty. Put it in your grain. You can mash it up. You can mash it up like I did here in your, mortar, pestle, mash it all up, and then you have a nice paste like this, which then you can add, it's very sour, so you don't have to add any vinegar or salt to it, but you can add chopped ginger or something, and you can just toss this in together with your leafy greens. Mix it in with pasta, or even like cooked grain, just mix it all up, make a rice ball. It's really good. Then, my mother, when she gets a headache, she'll just take a umeboshi plum. Oh, let me tell you about this. So the skin part here, it'll help with constipation. And the inner part here helps with diarrhea. And then the seed in the inside helps with severe diarrhea. You don't have to carbonize it. So what my mother does is she takes a little piece of umeboshi plum, and she puts it right here on her temple when she gets a headache. I have oil on my face, so it's slipping off. But you get the point, right? So she puts plum here on her head, have a headache. You have a stomach ache, put it on your belly button. The energy and the vibes of this really works. Even for a toothache. You have a toothache, get some of this plum here and stick it on your toothache. Or wherever you have pain, stick it on there. This is old traditional Japanese medicine. Then I am going to strain this. Hopefully I don't make a mistake. Okay, good. I got the wrong size funnel here. Oh shoot, I got left over. I gotta find a bigger jar. But anyway, you get the point. So then you cover this, you label it, and you can use this now as umeboshi vinegar. Mix this with olive oil, or not olive oil, sesame oil, and pour it all over your salad. Oh, look at that. You made your own umeboshi vinegar. If you buy this in the store, it's almost like $10 for the same amount. Why pay $10? Just go buy a plant from me. I'm selling it at $5, only $5. What I have left, and I got them from my master tree. I grew them from like about this size, and they're about like that now. They'll grow about 2 feet a year. So within 3 years, they'll be like 6 feet. And then you'll have a bunch of plums, as long as you don't be stupid like me and not cut the top off. And now I can't get to the rest of the plums on the top. But the birds will be happy. And, if you move, whoever moves into your house will be happy with a bunch of plums. I have yellow ones, and I have red ones. This is from the red one. But the yellow ones will also turn red. And your kids will love you, your grandchildren and the gleaners will love you, because now you can go and help, you know, other people get some food. Thanks for watching.